What tells you that that's bad news, malignant? The M-A-L part, yeah. So what is something that's malignant? What did you find out? Max, go for it.
Well, a sentence?
No, I want to know what the word means. Lawrence, did you look up the word malignant?
Yeah, but I forgot to write down the definition.
Do you have it in your head?
It was something like to be rude or something. No?
Hazel?
Poisonous, venomous.
Yeah, poisonous. Yeah.
Like nasty?
Nasty, disease-ridden. So if I come into class and I'm upset and I tell you I've got a malignant spot on my arm, you know this is bad news. This is cancer. If someone's got a malignancy. All right, Max, what is your sentence? It sounded like you had one.
One of the most, how do you say it?
Malignant.
Malignant glares she had ever seen.
One of the most malignant what?
Glares.
Glares. Ooh, bad one, huh? Really bad. Another result of my test, and I was excited to hear that it was not malignant. Super. How about the word generalize from last week? When you look at the word generalize, what word do you see in there? In the word generalize.
General.
General. So when you generalize about something, what do?
Do I get down to basics or whatever?
Say it again?
Get down to the basics or whatever?
Yep, you get down to the basics. It's just not specific, just the basics. So she was talking about how to use the library. That's a bad example. Maybe not. She was talking about how to use the library, and she just generalized. She said, you go in, you find a book, you check it out, the end. Not like you go to the person behind the desk, you ask where you look for books on science. The person tells you such and such. That's not general. That's specific. All right, long. And if you make a mistake, just correct it. All right, number 4. Lawrence, we're going to start with you. Paul answered the phone, and then he heard the bad news. How do you spell that?
T-H-E-N?
Yes. Antonio, he has read more books than any other student in class.
T-H-A-N.
Perfect. Max, Rita loves to swim, less than jog.
Then.
Can you spell it?
T-H-A-N.
Yes. The weird thing about these 2 words is they sound pretty much the same. Then. Then. A little bit different. Hazel, the electricity went out, then the gas was turned off.
Then T-H-E-N.
Yes. I don't know why I had to think about that one. Lawrence, how can you brush your teeth? You either take it out or I'm going to give it to you back because we're going to correct it. Suzette is coming, but she's not here yet. Max. So Antonio, do you have yours?